Guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We are back again today with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video of today is all about the QCY MeloBuds Pro from QCY, and it seems to be really amazing, and some of you guys recommended it throughout the comment section saying that you should try the QCY MeloBuds Pro. They seems to be great, and even you talked about the Hailu Mori, which we reviewed last time, and it seems to be really great buds. But today we're checking out the QCY Melo, and let's get started. Okay, there we go. So as you can see guys over here, this is the QCY MeloBuds. It seems to be having a really nice branding over here, which gives me some really amazing kind of vibe through looking at it. And it's even having the LIDAC through the buds. As some of you guys know, LIDAC, it's a brand new technology, and it seems to be really great throughout sound too. So we're going to be testing it out throughout, checking it, unboxing it, and we check it out what's so goody about the QCY Melo Pro from QCY MeloBuds Pro. Yeah, we unbox it. Just know that you're being gifted a case from QCY MeloBuds, which is something which is so amazing. As you can see over here, looks really good. Okay, there we go. Nice and amazing. Really nice and amazing kind of design. But what do we have here? Okay, what's happening over here? Whoa. So you're getting some extra buds to interchange throughout your buds. You're getting a Type-C cable. Let's see what's this kind of cable. Okay, nice. USB to Type-C. But not least, our bud. There's nothing else left here. I guess it's just paperwork. Okay, nice. Getting your paperwork over here so as you can read it out and enjoy throughout understanding, because you have just to enjoy throughout understanding how the earbud works. And you can download an application throughout scanning the barcode, and you can even download it throughout the Play Store. Okay, as you can see our product over here, which is really amazing, and it's looking really nice. To be honest, I've never had a golden kind of earbud before, and the creamy kind of looks really shining, and yeah, a really nice design. As inside, as you can see, well constructed, and there is kind of stuff over here. You have just to remove them. The same thing, returning them back to the case, and as you can see right now, they're ready for pairing. Wow, the sound quality throughout the QCY MeloBuds, insane. Just know that it's insane. From the scale of 10 to 0, this kind of bad boy, I'll rank it 10 out of 10. To be honest, it's something which is so great. Even keeping it in your ears, fits in perfectly, looks good, it draws attention. You got some golden kind of buds, but that's not it, because they have different variety of colors. You can choose throughout their website or throughout AliExpress, depending on you what you really need. But so far so good. The earbuds, the sound, guys, even if I test with you throughout my mic here, still you might not getting it, but just take it from me, the QCY MeloBuds Pro, they're insane. Another kind of stuff which is quite interesting, which is differs from other buds, is the way you remove them. You see, you remove it this way and you return it this way, compared to other buds. I understand the other buds has different mechanism through removing it. It's just like, you know, but this one, you have just to do that. Like it goes in, and it's actually not bad. Really great. I was about just to fall through down, but you know what I mean. Talk about the QCY MeloBuds Pro specification. Well, it has a noise cancellation up to 46 dB adaptive ANC. It has a sound quality with a high-res audio with the LIDAC 12mm bio diaphragm drivers. It has a microphone which it has a 6 AI powered mics with ENC for clear calls. The battery life, it has 8.5 hours on the playtime, which is really great. And connectivity wise, it has a multi-point pairing and an ATMS low latency mode. Even you can use it throughout playing games. It has a customization through using the QCY app for EQ settings and updates. It has a very nice comfort, ergonomic design with an ear detection, which is perfect through listening and whenever you're speaking with anyone. So guys, this is the QCY Melo. I hope you enjoyed it throughout this video today. It's such an amazing and incredible kind of buds. To be honest, I really like them, the way they made them. The form factor, the sound quality is just top notch. It's really dope. And throughout the lead act, it's just pushing way throughout there, which is something which is so great. So should you buy the Melo QCY MeloBuds Pro? The question is yes, probably. You can grab these kind of buds. They're so amazing, they're so cool, they give you some amazing kind of sound, and I've been using it so many times and they're such incredible. Throughout the ANC, it's really amazing too. The only downside I can say, it has lesser battery, like 8 hours throughout there. Throughout using it, it's just quite not bad, but still I hope that they could make at least 12 hours through staying with power. But overall, it's such an amazing kind of buds, to worth it to check it out, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here, or else you'll be jumping like that guy there at the back. It's jumping, you know what I mean? Yeah, but overall, it's such an amazing kind of stuff from QCY Melo, and some of you guys recommended this kind of buds. I didn't have no idea if this kind of buds were existing, but some of you guys told me there's a Hailu Mori, which we checked it out, which I guess the video is coming up next, and there's a QCY MeloBuds Pro, which some of you guys recommended this kind of buds, so as I can check it out. And do not hesitate to leave me a comment for which kind of buds you would like for me just to explore and share with you guys my kind of view. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll on the next one, guys, and peace.